Hi everyone. We continue rec the compromised machine. Um, this machine say that is easy, but for me was harder. It's if you have the knowledge required for do this and the developer skills that the machine required, it's not difficult, but you need found what is the following clue, no? um, okay, I hope that I can explain you right. Yes, the people say that this machine is very hard. I understand why. So let me show you. Um, the first one is go inside of streamings and create in Kadir a new directory compromised. Yeah, and inside of compromised cd compromised, we can create in Kadir new directories of working inside of nmap. We are going to perform an nmap tool recognition, and here this part, again we are going to execute the fast TCP scan mm, with this IP. So it seems that the ports 404318, yeah, Samba is open. So during the recognition, we can try to connect a SMB client a null session to this machine with Samba client. So yes, perfect. And it seems that there are two folders opens that there are not property of the. I'm not sure. Maybe we can check this one. Um, we can connect with SMB client with a null session to scripts dollar scripts dollar, yeah, like this, and ls, yeah, we're inside. um, so the first one is obtain all the asterisk.ps1. It is like should be 1 to 1. Defrag like this, um, like this, like this, and get burg like this. So there are no directories cd dot ls exit. So at this point we can try to entry to the users too. Users, and review. Maybe I can put this here. This is the operative system users directory. So we can try to enter to scripting cd scripting ls. This is picture, recent save it game, search, start menu, templates, music desktop app data. We need create a recognition of this user. So at desktop, this is the flag, so we can obtain the local.txt. We don't have access to opening remote file with more local.txt. We do not have access to review it. So 3D objects app data. So cd app data cd local Microsoft Temporary Internet Virtual Store. So this one, desktop contract application data, maybe this one, cd application that data, scripting cd status object not found. Why? So ls and inside access DNA to application data, contact, desktop, cookies, documents, links, local settings, music, my documents, nt user.dat. So save it games, start menu, so I remember the file that we need looking for, but I don't want to perform all the recognition of this directory. So let me check default PowerShell init config user file. So Windows, user when you open PowerShell super user, this is the profile user file directory. Why can I reload it? So how to, this is the guide, set executing policy, practice, item, add documents, maybe, why not, cd documents, ls cd Windows PowerShell. Yeah, this is the profile that we want. profile dot ps1, we can get it and exit because it contains the data that we are looking for, profile.ps1. So we can review this point that from base64 trying to convert a secure string, this is obviously a password. We can do this one, echo and decode and say friends don't let friends base64 passwords. So maybe we can entry user winrm. Let me review winrm default port 59x659x5. Yep. Evil winrm. Yes, friends. And the user is scripting the credentials, the IP of the target machine is this one. So who am I? Compromised scripting user. Who am I? This is the privilege at local of the operating system. So we can go to the desktop review type the local.txt. So perfect, but right now is the privilege escalation and is the most harder complex task at this machine. So I remember that at the C there are an uncommon directory with name troubleshooting. It's wrong writing. Let me cd troubleshootings. So there are a file with name logs.ps1. So obtain the mlog of Windows PowerShell and export to CSV file. So it's possible do this, execute this logs.ps1. The process finished success and we found PowerShell type. So there are the events of the event viewer at Windows. Okay, we are try to copy it at local. How can we copy this one? I remember the download logs. Using the FTP, we can connect to obtain this. I think maybe ls cp PowerShell logs to the c dot users, and inside of users scripting. Yeah, this one could be, but it's not cp, it's copy. So we can review, see users, scripting, and there are the PowerShell logs. So the idea is connect to with Samba with the same credentials that we use for this connection. So scripting user and this one. So with SMV client we can try to perform the connection to this machine. The users dollar folder with the username. I remember that this one was like this. Username is this one. The credentials are this one. Yeah. I mean ls. Yeah. Inside of scripting, we can perform ls. PowerShell logs CCV, so we can get to my local machine and exit and clear. This is the PowerShell logs CCV. So right now we are going to review this file that is the most interesting part of the machine. At the streaming folder we can find the compromised inside of nmap. This should be moved to the right server. So do you want to replace? Close. Don't save. Don't save. Don't save. File. Open. Oof. I missed the content of the file. I need connect again. So scripting. So cd scripting. Yeah. ls and get this file again. Perfect. Exit. Clear. So let me open again this one. File open, new file open, at recent. No, this is at home. This is a streaming compromised data scripts and map. PowerShell logs. There are the logs. So the most important file for each event uh, field is the host application. So let me try to grep my host application to the PowerShell logs CSV. Um, right now we are going to sort no unique, only unique, because I don't want to sort it. I want to review the chronology. Um, this one to the txt maybe. I'm going to open this file. File open. Um, okay, home. Streaming. Compromised and this one. So the uncommon command is this, of course. We need to review it. It seems that execute a PowerShell command with content hidden and bypass the policy execution and enc. This is for encode command. So we need to review it. Maybe see the inside of exploits. We can check this one and say okay, base 64 could be the decode.ps1. So cat decode ps1, and this is the command. So what is this? Okay, we are going to open it. Compromised exploits, and this is all files and decode. Yes. So the first one is obtain all the entries for this for this command. This is like reverse engineering about the executed command at the operative system. So it seems that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 6 is a data structure with name owned that contains an array of 5 entries. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and the third one, another, and the last one, and finally execute every entry at the ex. This is the invoke operative system invoke command at PowerShell. So what we need? We need a review every command of the operative system. The first one is this one. So we can go to the target server, try to review the meaning of this CLS. Yeah, inside again. So CLS, dislike, clear, no, don't work. So we can execute something like this. So show me what is decode variable dollar decode variable. It seems that contain an array of data. It's a convert format string. So this is a binary with name decode. Okay, perfect. So why not we can review this command. The second one. So the command is start sleep 5 seconds. So this is an encode data, and this is an started sleep 5 seconds, and the second part is this one, say and do this. So what is the meaning of this one? gv mder name 3 11 2. Maybe without the ampersand. Yeah, it's the meaning of this one is invoke expression. So it's pipe to ex expression. So what is the follow? It's if this one exit, this is on clear text. Okay, this one is another. So it's if computer name variable env computer name at the PS1 is compromised. Yeah, exit. So the following is another command following the same invoke expression is the same string. So we can execute this one and review the content. So test connection to Google DNS IP. Exit if no success. So this is pipet with ex like this command. So this is the same command I'm going to put here because it's at clear text. Okay, if we continue, this seems a more harder command. Because contain more data. Mhm. So it say mm, if owned two um, control plus plus if owned two dot to extreme not equal to uh, this instruction the environment variable uh, equal to compromised exit if the second one is not equal to this one exit else ms is a new object system IO memory stream decode is the first variable this encode data 0 to the code length. So finally concat this instruction with invoke command um, ex invoke expression at PowerShell. What is the last one? The last one say mm, it's another base 64 encode that we are decode. So new object system io string reader is this one. Say ms is decompress obtain a new gzip stream and read all the content of this one. So finally all the values of the owned execute sequentially such a script, the first one, the second one, the third one. So we need reorder the the script and we obtain that the first one is this. So reorder the script, this is the first one, this is the second one instruction, this the first, this is the access to this, this is more complex. If this one not equal to 2, yes. So new object, read this one. So if we think about this, if all the instruction work at a script expected, we need execute. First one is decode. Yeah, this is the first one that we need execute. The second one it's only this part because we want the decode content. This is the the second one. Two. I think this is the third one for obtain the base64 or the encrypted content or encoded. So the first one is this. No. Come on. Mm, mm, mm. No. Let me enter again. So, come on. The first one is this. This is the code, data. Okay. So, the second one is this. Loaded this decode data from memory to MS, and with this one we can read all so the cell is mightier than this world, so it seems that with Evil WinRM we can access to this machine with this credential with end user administrator. Yes, the IP is 68 187. Yeah. So we are inside of administrator, who am I, and system info. Um, you know what did I mean? It's a Windows Server 2018 19 19 2019, yeah, standard edition. um, it seems that it's patched but it's vulnerable because execute this kind of command. I don't know what's the reason of this software, but I think that find this execution, this base64, it's different, they perform the reverse engineering in order to understand it. uh, is uh, is nice. I like this, but um, the most important thing that you should learn in here is if during a CTF or a penetration test, if there are something or some folder or some service or something different that usual, uh, go to this direction. Okay, you should follow the new things and the unusual things, because the most probably is that in this place there are important content or there are clues that follow that let you arrive to the finish of the flags. um, okay, we can go to the uh, documents, desktop, there, and this is the proof dot txt. Yeah, this is all for this machine. I hope that you understand and learn about this machine. See you.